Strive. I strive for excellence in everything I do. I am striving to meet the deadline right now. I have just striven to fix the last bug. I have been striving to learn the language for years. I strove to keep my composure yesterday. I was striving to finish the marathon when I hit the wall. I had striven for years before I earned recognition. I had been striving to save enough for months before I bought the house. I will strive to do better next term. I will be striving toward the record all season. I will have striven for every goal on my list by December. By June, I will have been striving to master this craft for a decade.